Ever sensed a calling towards something greater than the normal and ordinary? Like there would be a deeper purpose and feeling of being chosen for something special. Being a chosen one isn't just a concept from fantasy novels or movies. It's about being called to a higher purpose and spiritual growth. It's like having a divine mission waiting for you to fulfill. And if you're here, it's probably for a reason. But what are the signs of being a chosen one? For many are called, but few are chosen. Matthew 22:14. For your entire life, you've probably felt like an outcast and struggled to fit into the shapes and molds of modern society. And that's for a good reason, as you were not meant to. You were destined to create and resist the ways that have failed us as a society. But being a chosen one doesn't mean starting a secluded organization in the middle of the woods and propping yourself up as the one and only savior of the earth. No, it just means you don't need to tell people you're chosen. They'll see in how you act and live. And there are 9 powerful signs you can look for in yourself and others. You have a strong sense of self and live authentically. Authenticity is like a bright light shining from within. It means being true to yourself and others, never pretending to be someone you're not. You value honesty and sincerity, and you can easily spot when someone is being fake. This sense of authenticity might sometimes make you feel uncomfortable around people who aren't genuine. You prefer real connections and meaningful conversations. Your authenticity is a strength that sets you apart, allowing you to build genuine relationships based on trust and openness. And it's a sign that you're living in alignment with your true self and purpose. You are the black sheep. Being a black sheep isn't just about feeling different. It's about embracing that uniqueness, even when it sets you apart from those around you. It can be a lonely journey, marching to the beat of your own drum while others follow the same tune. But it's also a sign that you're meant for something bigger, something beyond just fitting in. Embracing your role as a black sheep means accepting the challenges that come with it and using your experiences to pave a path for others who may feel lost or misunderstood. It's about being true to yourself, even when it's not the easiest path to take. You often have greater difficulties in dark times. Enduring greater difficulties and facing dark times is a hallmark of being a chosen one. These challenges, while daunting, serve a purpose. They make you stronger and wiser. Each trial and every moment of struggle contributes to your growth and understanding. It's like forging steel in fire. The hardships shape you into someone resilient and capable. As a chosen one, your life isn't devoid of challenges. Rather, it's filled with them from the start. These experiences not only empower you, but also equip you to guide others through their own struggles. Your journey becomes a beacon of hope and inspiration for those who walk a similar path. You thirst for more. The thirst for more is one of the most overwhelming experiences. It's a deep-rooted feeling that there's something greater, something beyond the ordinary. This sense of seeking more leads you to question conventional paths and norms, often making you feel like you don't quite fit in. You are constantly on the move, exploring not just physically, but also intellectually, driven by a quest for truth and understanding beyond this world. Your spiritual journey is a central part of this quest, as you seek to unravel the mysteries of existence and explore the depths of your own soul. You possess great empathy and energy sensitivity. Empathy and energy sensitivity are powerful traits that mark you as a chosen one. Your ability to deeply connect with others' emotions and energies sets you apart. However, it also comes with challenges, as you must learn to protect yourself from negative influences. This involves setting boundaries, practicing self-care, and developing techniques to shield yourself from overwhelming energies. Your empathetic nature allows you to understand and support others in profound ways, making you a source of comfort and guidance. Embracing your sensitivity while also safeguarding your energy is a vital part of your journey towards fulfilling your purpose. You have an inherent goodness and pure heart. Your inherent goodness and pure heart are undeniable signs, especially in this current phase of Earth consciousness. People recognize your genuine nature and are drawn to your kindness. You possess a strong inclination to assist others, often putting their needs before your own. This selfless nature is a beacon of light in a world that sometimes feels dark. However, it's important to remember that being a chosen one also means learning to receive help and positive energy in return. Embracing both roles, giver and receiver, creates a harmonious flow of kindness and support, strengthening your connection with others and your purpose in this world. You often experience synchronicities and profound dreams. These occurrences, such as encountering repeating numbers of experiencing vivid dreams, serve as powerful signs guiding you on your path as a chosen one. Synchronicities often feel like gentle nudges from the universe, reaffirming that you are on the right track and encouraging you to stay open to divine guidance. Your dreams, too, carry significant messages, so pay attention to the signs you are being shown. You're drawn to spirituality and nature. The pull towards spirituality and nature is a profound aspect of your being as a chosen one. You feel a deep connection to the natural world, finding solace and inspiration in its beauty and calm. This connection isn't just about admiring nature's aesthetics, it's about recognizing the inherent spirituality within it. You may find yourself drawn to practices like meditation, mindfulness, or spending time in sacred spaces, as it connects you to a deeper understanding of existence and your place in the universe. You have an inner knowing, an old soul feeling. This sense of being an old soul goes hand in hand with your awareness that there is something grander at play in the world, a higher purpose that beckons at you. You feel a strong connection to a greater cosmic plan, one that guides your actions and choices. This inner knowing fuels your desire to fulfill your unique destiny and contribute to the greater good of humanity, even if you can't say what that destiny is. Your inner knowing and old soul feeling are profound signs of your role as a chosen one. You have a deep, intuitive understanding of life, as if you've lived many lifetimes and gathered wisdom beyond your years. Which leads to the next important question you may find yourself asking. What is the mission of the chosen ones? Being a chosen one isn't about being born special. It's about awakening to a higher purpose. And if you feel a deep longing to connect with something greater and to positively impact the world around you, you're living your purpose as a chosen one. It's crucial to understand that being chosen doesn't make you superior, but calls you to recognize your innate potential and embrace it fully. Answering the call of the soul, you will realize that while you may have had a different path than most, we are all rising in Earth's consciousness, accelerated by the work you were tasked with as the chosen to bring light to this plane. Remember that destiny doesn't come with a manual, but comes with clues, signs, and whispers. Acknowledge these hints, for they may be arrows pointing you toward your unique destiny. Take a moment to reflect on these signs. Do you resonate with the feeling of not fitting in, the thirst for deeper meaning, or the empathetic nature within you? These are not mere coincidences, but potential keys to unlocking your purpose. You are part of a greater plan, a force for positive change, and your journey is meant to inspire others. So, listen to the call. Embrace your uniqueness and walk the path less traveled. For you are the pioneers of this new age of enlightenment. See you soon, curious soul.